Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in the middle of doing these soft locks and I thought I should come on here and show you guys how I did them. I watched this girl Cassidy. I'll link her video below or put it somewhere on the screen. I already pretty much finished it. I have 2 left. And I pretty much just plait my natural hair all around, and I used the new lock hair. I used the 14-inch and the 18-inch, and I pretty much just attached them together to make it 32 inches. So that's how I got it this long. So if you want to see, and I use this passion twist hair to wrap it. So if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Okay, so you get the 2 pieces, the 14-inch and the 18-inch, and you unravel the 14-inch at the bottom. I mean, either one is fine. And then you open the loop on the 18-inch. You just open it and insert this one, and then you just tie it 2 times. And then once you tie it, you just, the extra hair, you just wrap it around the top and the bottom. And then once you attach it and wrap the hair around, you just rub your hands together. And that's how you pretty much seal it, so you don't see where you attach the hair. Once you do that, then you get the loop at the top. And you open it up. So you open the loop, you get your hair, and you crochet. You put the crochet needle under your hair, open it, attach the lock hair, close it, pull it through, and then once you pull it through and you take the crochet needle off, you're gonna keep that open so that way you can pull your natural hair through this hole, and then it should create a knot. All right, I had to adjust the camera. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna get the passion twist hair, and I just like put it in a messy look. All right, so once you get the passion twist hair, you grab your needle again. You're gonna close it and put it underneath. You're gonna attach this hair, close it, and put it under. And then you're gonna make one side. I just make it the length of my natural hair. So that's what I do. I make it the length of my natural hair, and then I pretty much just start wrapping it. And you can wrap it around the root a couple of times just to make sure that it's secure. I tried not to make it too tight, but it ended up being tight anyways, so yeah. But that's pretty much it. You just, once you get the passion twist hair on it, you just wrap it normal all the way down until you're finished with the passion twist hair. you get to the end, you can use some got to be glue spray, free spray, and then just spray the end of it, and then you just rub your hands around it, and there you go. So I'm gonna show you again because I have one more left. So you take the 2 pieces of lock hair, 2 pieces of lock hair, you open the bottom of one, and insert it into the loop of the other one. And you tie it 2 times. And then for the rest of it, you just wrap it around. Get your passion twist hair. Please ignore my background. Alright, so once you pull it through, like I said, my hair is short, so the short part, I just like make it the same length as my hair, and then I just get my hair, the passion twist hair, and the lock, and I just hold all 3 of them in one hand, and then the long passion twist hair, I hold it in the other hand, and then just start wrapping. And I didn't want this video to be long, that's why I didn't show the whole process, but pretty much I just had my mom and sister part and braid or plait, whatever you want to call it, my natural hair, and then I decided to come home and finish it off. So you can do that by yourself, or if you can't part, you could get somebody to do it for you, but it's really quick, really simple, and it's very lightweight, so that is always good. But anyways, you just keep wrapping passion twist hair down until you are completely done. And if I end up with the short piece being too long, like longer than the piece that was originally long, I just put them together and kind of wrap it upward to finish it off. And then you just go with a little bit of free spray to seal it. You rub your hands together, and that is it. You could put it on the side, you could put it in the middle, you can do whatever. And I'm gonna just do my edges and we'll be done. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be posting the link of the original video so that I can give her credit, because I did watch her video to, you know, get the little inside scoop on how to do this style. So I will be posting the link to her video in my description box so you guys can check it out if you would like. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.